Can't allow access to microphone on iPhone apps? Hi there, this is Eve, and if you cannot allow access to the microphone for specific apps on your iPhone, try the following troubleshooting steps to solve your problem. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off the microphone restriction on iPhone. Open Setting, Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Solution 2. Check App Permissions. Make sure your app has permission to access the microphone. Here's how to check. Go to the settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security. Look for the microphone option and ensure it is enabled. If it's already enabled, toggle it off and on again. Solution 3. Offload the problematic app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Find out the problematic app, tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall the app. Solution 4. Give a reset. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset, tap Reset all settings. Note that this will reset all your personalized settings to default values, so you must set them up again. After following all the processes, your problem will be solved. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.